Spring is just about here, and we are celebrating Easter with these deliciously moist carrot cake cheesecake bars. Here is our list of ingredients, and they can be found in the description box below. Spray cooking oil to an 8x8 baking pan. This helps your baking sheet to stay in place. You can easily remove the bars and cut them better when using a baking sheet. To a large bowl, add your melted butter and brown sugar and mix till combined. Add an egg and vanilla extract. Mix. Then add your flour, cinnamon, baking powder, and salt, and give it a mix. Scrape down your sides, and then go ahead and add your shredded carrots. To make your cheesecake batter, take room temperature cream cheese and add 2 egg yolks, sugar, and vanilla extract. Mix until combined. To your pan, add half of your carrot cake batter. Then add half of your cheesecake batter. Then add the last of your carrot cake batter. And then add as much or as little as you want of the rest of your cheesecake batter. Go ahead and swirl with a butter knife. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes. You will know when it is done when there is very little jiggle to the center and the edges are a light golden brown. Make sure to cool completely before cutting. Serve and enjoy.